Welcome to Slide's video tip of the month. Michael Muth with Slide Products here, and let's talk purging. Love it or hate it, purging is something that most molders will need to contend with. Slide's tip this month: stop evaluating purging compounds just based solely on the price of the product. Need to start comparing them on the overall cost of your purge process. In the world of plastics manufacturing, the sticker price of a purging compound is oftentimes really just a distraction. The real expense isn't the cost of the purge material itself, it's the total cost of the purge process, which is oftentimes dominated by machine time and scrap resin. Cheap purge compounds often require massive amounts of a carrier resin to flush them out. You end up throwing away high-grade production resin materials just to save a few cents on the purchase of the purge product. The bottom line, a high-efficiency purging compound might cost more upfront, but if it gets you back into production just 30 minutes faster, it pays for itself before the first part even hits the bin. Measure your purge ROI in cycles and the cost of the purge process, not the pricing of the purge compound alone. And if you are interested in a partner committed to providing the highest level of engagement with solving your purge problems and saving you money, contact Slide Products to be put in touch with one of our purge experts.